Today we will look at the law of cosines. The goal is to use the law of cosines, known as the cosine rule, to solve for unknown sides of oblique triangles. So for this lesson, we're focusing on the unknown sides of oblique triangles. Let's recall oblique triangles do not have a right angle. So in this lesson, we will look where we don't have a matching pair. Recall with the sine rule, go back to a sine rule here, we need a matching pair that was an angle and a side and its corresponding side. The sine rule can only be used when we have a matching pair, as we call it. When we do not have a matching pair, as in this example here, we don't have an angle and its matching side or a side and its matching angle, then we have to apply the cosine rule. And the cosine rule is used whenever we have when we know two sides and the angle between them. For example, we can use the cosine rule using from this triangle. We can use the cosine rule to find side x because we have these two sides of a triangle and the angle in between. So, so the cosine rule is a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos angle A. If you look at this triangle, you want to find side A. Side A will be equal to these other two sides minus 2bc times one angle. And we'll complete 3 examples to show you how we can apply the cosine rule. So this rule is used when we know two sides and the angles between them. Or one angle, sorry, the angle between them.